Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to make salmon kinilaw, a vibrant and flavorful dish. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of sushi-grade salmon, which is crucial for this raw preparation. Also, prepare your aromatics: a 2-inch piece of ginger, 1 small red onion, and 1 or 2 small chili peppers for a little kick. Don't forget about 1/2 cup of cane or coconut vinegar, and the juice from about 3 to 4 calamansi or 1 large lime. Now let's get our salmon ready. Carefully dice your fresh salmon into small, uniform cubes, aiming for about 1/2 inch pieces. This size ensures even marination and a pleasant texture. Before dicing, make sure to remove any skin or bones that might be present. Once cubed, transfer the salmon to a non-reactive bowl, like a glass or ceramic one. Finally, gently pat the salmon dry with paper towels. This step helps the flavors adhere better. This is where the magic happens. To your diced salmon, add the juice from your calamansi or lime. Next, incorporate your thinly sliced ginger, the finely chopped red onion, and the chili pepper for that delightful heat. Pour in about 1/2 cup of your chosen vinegar, either cane or coconut, which will begin the cooking process. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper, mixing everything gently to combine all the wonderful flavors. Your salmon kinilaw is almost ready. Allow the mixture to marinate in the refrigerator for at least 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, the acidity from the vinegar and citrus juice will cook the salmon, turning it opaque and slightly firming its texture. It's best served immediately to enjoy its freshness. You can present it as a vibrant appetizer or a light main course. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh cilantro or thinly sliced spring onions before serving. Enjoy your homemade salmon kinilaw.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.